The holy stale?
The break is perfectly clean. Even the magic array's destroyed. That was a strike of pure, terrifying power.
Even Master Lancelot, top 1 of the Saint Temple rank, can only leave an inch mark with all strength. Yet this person split it in half. He's far stronger. With him on our side, the orcs won't stand a chance.
Then Eagleheart Fortress will rise again. Keep the honor of the Northern first.
Yes. But where is that godlike warrior now?
Only Arthur came here today. Could it be him?
My boy, he's grown up.
Madam, why are you crying?
Just got dust in my eyes. I'm fine. Do the clothes fit?
They fit. Why I feel it hurts when she's sad.
I heard you lived in the Mist Forest for years. Did your master treat you well? Did you go hungry or cold?
He treated me well, but I still worry about my family, especially my mother. I want to find her, ask why she had me, then left me.
You came from your mother's flesh. She has to love you. All these years, she's surely been suffering while searching for you.
I don't blame her.
Look at you. Too skinny. You need to eat more to get strong. It's a long road. I made these breads myself. When it's cold, don't forget to layer up.
Madam, you're so kind to me. I wish you were my mother.
Actually, I am your...
Oh, you human scut still kicking?
Madam, what were you about to say?
The orcs are here. My boy's too weak. He can't be caught in this.
Nothing! Arthur, take your pack. Go through the backyard secret path. You'll be safe.
The Duke may not be fond of me, but the Detritus treats me well. I need to see what's going on.
Arthur, why are you still here? Leave now, before you get hurt!
Yeah, you're just a pig-stinking farmer. Stay out of the knight's business. Leave? No one's leaving! Unless you hand over the North's first banner! Garrock, how dare you storm the fortress? Is this how Grom taught you?
Richard, you really think Eagle Forge is still strong like 20 years ago?
Grom, you're here. My son Garrock is young, but already the Nober 19 Bazagener on the Saint Temple rank, a true orc prodigy. He let your daughter slip away before, but today, no such luck.
Hand over your land, maybe we'll let you live.
Or else, I'll hang you on this gallows! The Eagle's honor is ours for generations! We won't just hand it over.
Refuse to give up your lands? I'll send you to the grave, a duel to the death.
Do you dare?
A duel to the death, even gods can't save you! You dare take me on, losers? Ha 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 ha! A bunch of cowards! I'll go! I'll go!
His swings are too slow. Every move gives him away.
pig slayer teaching swordplay? Ha! Old Cocker Eagleheart Fortress now needs a farmer to play knight?
That pig-slicing trash, not my knight.
Cut the crap! You beat Garon first!
Weak human. You're so lame. Just go home and cry to your mama.
Garruk hits hard, but wide and reckless.
Garond, sidestep and go for his left leg! Thanks for the tip, Gawain. Impressive. Even I didn't spot that weakness. That's my senior squire.
They're walking straight into the orc's trap. Gotta find a way to warn them.
My right elbow just went numb. Now I gotta pause for air every 3 swings. My elbows are too weak.
Just hearing the fight made his hands go soft. Useless fool.
Every 3 heavy strikes, Garok's right elbow goes weak. That's our chance! My father fought for 40 years, never noticed that. Uther really have no sword training?
Garant, listen to me! Strike his left leg!
Impossible.
Rubbish! Stupid! That was a trap. My stance is rock solid. Thinking you're good enough to give orders? If he dies, it's all on you! You bastard! Feeding loser knights isn't enough. You even kept a farmer. He's not even worthy of being a slave.
Now I gotta pause for air every 3 swings.
Gawain, wait for Garok's 3rd swing. When his sword shifts slightly, attack his right elbow.
This lady knight's got some sharp eyes. One. 2.
3! That's my daughter.
Arthur was right. But he's never trained in swordsmanship. No way.
Grom! You lost. Take your orcs and get out of the north. Get out!
Lost? My son fought 2 of you and wore himself out. You only won by luck. Now, you face me.
You flip-flop. You, an orc chieftain bullying young knights? Aren't you ashamed? The toll of Western Europe will laugh at you.
Dead men can't laugh at me.
So this is the power of the 10th of Saint Temple rank? Even Gawain, a high-leave knight, can't stand a chance.
Richard, you old fool. Cling to your shabby fortress. Then don't expect mercy from my axe.
Eagle Fortress's century of glory ends not with me! You have no honor. Don't blame me for cutting off your head.
Richard, your aura is fading. Can you even lift your sword?
The Duke won't last 5 moves against Grom.
What the hell are you talking about, Pig Slayer?
The Duke's battle isn't for you, a worthless farmer, to comment on.
Enough!
You're too weak, old man! No human can beat my father! So come on! Let's see all of you try!
I'll go! Vivian, even your father can't beat him. You shouldn't... Mother, I'm a knight of the Eagle Fortress. Even if I can't win, I have to fight.
You're ranked 30th, and you think you can fight my father? Just give up, little chick. You've got some looks. How about mate?
It's your honor my son is interested in you. Do as he says. I'll let you live.
Never! Even if I die, I won't surrender to you, Ulks!
Then go to hell!
Vivian!
So, none can save the Eagle Fortress today?
No, Grom will really kill Vivian. Arthur, believe me. Your mother loves you so much. All these years, she's never stopped missing you, not for one single day.
Why say that now?
Arthur, none of today's trouble is your affair. Leave now.
I will never allow anyone hurt my child!
Then go to hell and wait for your children!
This pendant? You're my mother?
The greatest regret of my life is not being able to protect you. But now, before I die, I can see you're alive and well. That's enough for me.
Mother!
Go!
Enough talk! Die!
Forgive me, my child.
点击下方链接观看完整视频。